Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start flood insurance with Farmers Insurance, complete guide step by step clearly. To start flood insurance with Farmers Insurance, first, assess your flood risk. Visit the FEMA Flood Map Service Center to determine if you live in a flood-prone area. Understand the importance of flood insurance, as standard homeowners insurance typically does not cover flood damage. Gather all necessary information about your property, including its location and any previous flood claims. Contact a local farmers insurance agent to discuss your specific needs and concerns. Request a flood insurance quote based on your property details and chosen coverage options. Review the different types of flood insurance policies available, including preferred risk policies for low-risk areas. Ask about any available discounts or bundling options with other insurance policies. Provide any required documentation, such as property surveys or elevation certificates, to support your application. Fill out the flood insurance application form with your agent's assistance. Confirm the coverage limits and deductible amounts to ensure they align with your financial protection goals. Wait for your policy to be processed, keeping communication open with your agent throughout. Receive your flood insurance policy and carefully review the terms and conditions. Make your initial premium payment to activate your coverage. Stay informed about flood risk and review your policy annually to make necessary adjustments. Consider joining community programs or initiatives focused on flood preparedness and prevention. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.